Hi, so I will tell you how you can improve your faces, okay? How you can practice them. And by the end of this video, you'll know everything that you need to know to actually improve them. I've been drawing for like a year and a half now. I've made decent progress and I just want to share all the things that I've learned with you so you can make more progress faster and easier. So enjoy. So for me, I've always wanted to draw characters, okay? And like, for me also the most important thing was faces. And I was struggling with them. I don't know, like faces are really hard to get because it's really important thing, okay? And a small mistake can ruin your whole drawing. Because now everybody will focus on, the eye that is a little bit offset. So yeah, my first faces were terrible. You can probably relate to that, okay? I think no one, when it never started, was drawing perfect faces. So recently I've been drawing a face, okay? And I did like, okay, first time I draw, I don't really like that. Next time I also don't like that. It was like 5 or 6 times that I draw a same face and I still didn't like that, okay? So I just gave up and just kept going. Said, I don't know, just a skill issue. But yeah, what helped me with actually improving my faces and making them better, okay, was a method that I created for myself, like easy, easy way to practice. And I saw improvement in just a week. So, I'll share with you all those practices that I did. And also with that, I started to actually like the faces that I draw. So first, what I realized was bad with my faces and how I improved that. And it was basic proportions, okay? So you have a face, okay? And what I struggled were the proportions, okay? So I realized that, okay, the eye line is roughly in the middle of the face, okay? Now, a little bit above that, we have an eyebrow line, okay? Here we put our eyebrows, okay? Now, in the middle of, of the eyebrow line to the chin, in the middle of that, we have noses, okay? And now, in the 1/3, or like, like roughly so, here we have our mouth, okay? And now we have our nose, okay? Let's say this. And from that here, okay, if you go from one corner of an eye straight to bottom, we'll have our nose, our sides of noses, okay? And also what I realized, okay, we have an eye, okay, whatever, an eye, and we have two eyes, obviously, okay? And now what we need to do is put one eye length here between those eyes, and that's a good proportions, okay? And now, like, we have our noses, okay, we have our mouths, okay, and our mouth, for me, like, we have an eyeball, okay, so like corner of mouth would be here and stuff, and like all those bones, okay, all those constructions, like the jaw and stuff, okay, like where are the hairlines, okay? So it's also in the same length as this, so we copy that and put it here, okay? Now it goes like that here, and there is like a lot of proportion that you have to learn while drawing faces. And also the neck is really hard to get, also the ears where they are, okay? And yeah, so like you gotta learn proportions first. So now I know what you might say, okay, now we can practice, so take photos, okay, and go do that. But I'm not saying that. What I say is, instead of focusing of now drawing from photos, okay, like all this complex anatomy and stuff, what you can do is, and what should you do, is use like basic 3D models, okay, of face, and try to draw them, okay? So here we have one, okay, here we have other, and just don't focus on the shadows, okay? Just focus on the forms, okay? And practice that. And how I do that is, timed practices. I'm talking about like the best way to practice. I have a video about that. Is whatever you just, okay, you have, is you take, okay, your face, okay, put it in angle, whatever you want. You can take a screenshot of that. You can put it to the side, whatever, and set time for it in like in like 5 minutes. Try to draw that. And what it will give you is you will actually learn about all the facial planes, okay? So you won't need to like all the curves, all the cheeks, the fat, the bones and the stuff, okay? You'll just know the planes, and it will also help you with shadows later. And now after that, now we can finally draw from photos, okay? Because now we have an understanding of our face. So we can take a photo, okay, from Pinterest or whatever, and try to draw the face. And obviously we can like learn anatomy, okay? It will obviously be helpful. We can draw schools, and we can just focus on, you know, the basic even features of face. So like eyes, mouth, noses, ears, okay, even hair and stuff next. So I would recommend that. And also here you can do those time practices. So take a picture from Pinterest, okay? Set time like 3 minutes to finish it, or 5 minutes, okay, whatever you need, and draw that face in that time. And that works really well, because okay, the one bad thing about those is, you know, you can put that, it's amazing, you can put that in whatever angle you want, but it's still the same face. And if you go on Pinterest, there's there's a lot of different faces. You can try draw, you know, different ways. So maybe like someone have, you know, more fat on cheeks or whatever, or like more defined bones and stuff. So we can learn different stuff, okay? And that's really cool. Now, other way to practice faces is go on ArtStation, still go on Pinterest, okay? Whatever, take your references. But now, instead of just drawing that like that, okay? Like, you know, you see this photo, you draw that photo. Now what you can do is, that's really helpful, is to trace, okay? But now don't just trace for tracing, okay? And look, oh well, we have a nice outline of a face. No, what you want to do is try to get in your hand the muscle memory of, you know, like whenever you trace, let's say this, you go like that, okay? You trace it, okay? Or even go like that. So your hand will get used to making those lines, okay? And now you build this muscle memory for, you know, like the jaw. So yeah, or maybe you can like, I don't know, you have a photo here. What you can do is, you know, try to draw a construction in that, okay? So, you know, do all those stuff and think about it, okay? Don't just mindlessly go, okay, so here we have this line, okay, we go like that, or even worse, okay, go like scratches, okay? No, don't do that. And just go with your mind, okay, with thinking, still think about that, okay? Why would someone draw the jaw like here? Why is it here? Okay, why? Because it's the, you know, this angle here is maybe on the side of, is maybe on the height of lips or whatever. So think about all those stuff in angles, like look for relationships. Maybe you have a face in the angle, okay? So now we have this eyebrow line here, maybe a nose, because nose would look like something like that, okay? And here maybe you would cover a little bit of an eye, okay? Now here we have another eye, okay? And look for the angles like here, okay? Maybe like that, okay? Like that. And yeah, so think about all those relationships, like, okay, it's parallel to each other. So this and this, okay? And this. Maybe you have a neck like that, okay? Whatever. Just think about those stuff and don't just mindlessly trace, okay? And also, like a bonus, I guess, one is observe a lot. Observe all those, as I said, relationships between, you know, eyes, the proportions and stuff. And yeah, you will improve your faces in a week, in days, okay? And if you're serious with improving your art and maybe you feel stuck or whatever, you can improve. Top link in the description below. You can get my coaching, okay? I can tell you exactly what you need to do to actually improve, and you will also be able to get my future courses that will be exclusive, okay? So top link in the description below, and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go like, subscribe, comment, okay? Go to my other social medias to actually look at my drawings, and yeah, thank you. Now what you can do is go and practice faces, okay? Because tomorrow you'll probably forget how to do that. Maybe like a year later, you will get this thought that now you remember how to do that. So go implement it right now and don't waste time on YouTube. So thank you for watching and bye.